Hello from sunny Santa Cruz. This is Karen Kefauver. I want to let you know that I'm inviting you to 4 of my social media classes in September. They are all from 10 to 11:30 on Thursdays. I would love to have you. Registration is now open. The classes are hosted through Santa Cruz County Small Business Development Center. The 4 classes are Facebook for Beginners, Facebook Advanced, Beginner Instagram for Business, and How to Use LinkedIn for Your Business Success. I would love to have you. I have been teaching for 10 years. I've worked with hundreds of professionals as a private coach, and I'm very proud to work with the Santa Cruz SBDC. Please join me. I will be posting the links below in this video. Okay, see you soon.